I bring Kristen back right now because so many people are talking about the cold and the potential for snow tomorrow.
That's right. Yeah, snow showers are going to be moving in from the south before sunrise even happens. Places like Bend, it's going to start early. It's going to linger. And again, we could see a foot to even a foot and a half of snow for parts of central Oregon. So that's where we have the heaviest snow, all highlighted in pink. You get up towards the gorge and the totals won't be that high, but you're going to have much stronger winds coinciding to make for some winter storm like conditions there for much of the day. Winter weather advisories, of course, for the metro area all through much of the valley, and that goes until midnight tomorrow night. Winds have already picked up. We're at east winds right now, 21 miles an hour. Occasionally seeing some gusts trying to approach 30, and that's what we'll see for tonight. But tomorrow we may see some of those gusts get up near 40 miles an hour. So we're going to continue to see those winds strengthen. Overnight down to 30, and it is blustery out. The wind chill in the 20s pretty steadily, and then at times it even drops into the teens. So bundle up as you head out the door in the morning, and it will be dry when you head out the door in the morning, but as we get closer to the lunch hour, we're going to start to see the snow chances go up. So by noon, we could start to see the first few little flakes flying here in the Portland metro area, and then it continues to develop. And right now, it looks like the main window for us to see snow would be between 2 and about 6 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, and then we may see some lingering lighter stuff as we head into the early part of the evening. But by 8 o'clock, most of this is winding down and it's heading on out to the east. So there's going to be that potential that we could see some light accumulations across northern portions of the Willamette Valley, and we can see slightly higher accumulations a little farther south. There's a system down across southern portions of Oregon right now. It's going to continue to lift to the north as we head into tomorrow morning. So early morning tomorrow, we'll start to see it approach places like Eugene. It won't be until late morning that it moves into Salem. Now down towards Eugene, it'll likely start as a wintry mix, and then it'll switch over to some snow eventually. For Salem, we may see a little bit of a rain-snow mix to begin with, and then we see that switch over to snow. But up towards Portland, it's going to start as snow and it's going to finish as snow because we just have, again, all that cold air moving in from the gorge. 5 p.m. and we're looking at occasional snow showers here. By 8 o'clock, a lot of it winding down for us across the northern portion of the valley and into southwest Washington. But look at it, still continuing into central and eastern Oregon through parts of the gorge. But everyone, by the time we wake up Thursday morning, done with this system, it's just going to be the cold that lingers that keeps any snow that comes down on the ground. So here's what to expect. Portland metro area timing right around noon into the afternoon is when we're going to see the best chances for that snow to move in. We could see anywhere from a dusting to perhaps even 3 inches in some spots. Central Valley could actually see more. We'll see that wintry mix early, and then it changes over into snow. And so places like Salem, and as you get closer to northern portions of the Willamette Valley, we could see 2 to 4 inches, if not some isolated areas seeing a little more than that. And then through the gorge, 2 to 4 inches back to the west, 3 to 6 east. And then, of course, we'll have those very strong winds towards the western end of the gorge, maybe gusting up near 50 miles an hour. Central Oregon, 12 to 18 inches for some of us. Eastern Oregon, 8 to 12. And then for the coast, mainly dry for northern coastal areas. You drop a little farther south, then we may see a few mixed showers, but no accumulation there. Here's a look at the snow total forecast. You can see where the bullseye is. And again, that's central Oregon, Lane County, Cascades. 1.5 feet will be possible there. We're looking at, again, right around Portland and southward, 1 to perhaps 3 inches, a little lighter as you head south and west, 2 to 4 down towards Salem. And then that wintry mix of snow would mean lighter accumulations there. And then, of course, anywhere from 6 to 12 in the Cascades up north, and then higher amounts as you drop into the Lane County Cascades. So a windy, cold day tomorrow. Temperatures will be below freezing by the time the snow hits, and it stays that way through the rest of the day. Highs on Wednesday in Bend only in the teens. 7-day forecast here. It does dry out by Thursday. We stay dry Friday and Saturday. Saturday we may even not make it out the 20s in some locations in the valley for highs. And then we could see a little more light snow on Sunday, and then going into early next week, Tuesday, we'll probably see the 40s return, but a long little cold snap to get through. And one thing, again, to remember is with this low pressure system, the forecast models have been pretty consistent, keeping that moisture coming up towards Portland and up near Vancouver and kind of cutting off there. But a shift in the track could mean some changes in some of the snow totals, so we'll be watching that closely. But do plan that tomorrow afternoon and evening commute could get a little hairy for us, especially in the valley. And then, of course, Central Oregon is going to be dealing with it all day long.
Well, that's tough, too, but I'm glad this time around we don't have the potential for that freezing rain.
Yes, so that does not look likely for us. We may see a little bit of a mix down towards Eugene. We'll watch that closely.
Thanks, Kristen. Stay with us, everybody. We have a recall alert for